We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what they say about the Ailemei Direct Cooling Throw Blanket for hot sleepers. Double-sided cold effect, lightweight breathable summer bed blanket for couch, designed to transfer heat and keep your body cool during night sweats. If you own this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it helps support the channel. The Ailemei Direct Cooling Throw Blanket stands out as a specialized solution for those who struggle with overheating during sleep, night sweats, or hot flashes. This product is crafted with a blend of 30% rayons and 70% mica cooling nylon, utilizing Japanese cold fiber technology on both sides to maximize its cooling effect. The blanket measures 50 by 70 inches, making it a generous throw size suitable for beds, couches, or even travel. The cooling effect is not just a marketing claim. It is engineered with a cool sense value, or Qmax, over 0.441 comma, which is a technical measure of how quickly the fabric can transfer heat away from the body. This is a significant feature for those who need reliable cooling performance throughout the night. One of the most praised aspects of the Ailemei cooling blanket is its immediate cool-to-the-touch sensation. Users consistently report that the blanket feels noticeably cool when first touched and maintains a lower temperature compared to standard bedding. Many hot sleepers have found relief, stating that it helps regulate their body temperature and prevents the discomfort of waking up drenched in sweat. The double-sided cooling technology means that regardless of how the blanket is positioned, the user benefits from the same cooling effect, which is a thoughtful design choice for restless sleepers who shift positions throughout the night. The material itself is described as satiny and soft, providing a pleasant tactile experience that is neither sticky nor clammy. The lightweight construction ensures that the blanket does not feel oppressive or heavy, yet it is substantial enough to offer a comforting presence, more than just a thin sheet. This balance between weight and breathability is crucial for comfort, especially in warmer climates or during the summer months. The striped gray design is modern and understated, blending easily with most bedroom or living room aesthetics. Performance-wise, the Ailemei cooling blanket excels in its primary function. Many reviewers highlight its ability to keep them cool even on the hottest nights, with some reporting a perceived drop in body temperature of about 2 degrees Celsius. This temperature regulation is not only beneficial for comfort, but can also contribute to improved sleep quality, as overheating is a common cause of restlessness and disrupted sleep cycles. Some users have even taken the extra step of placing the blanket in the refrigerator before bedtime for an enhanced cooling experience, noting that it retains the chill for a significant period. Usability is another strong point for this product. The blanket is machine and hand washable, making it easy to care for and maintain. The manufacturer recommends using a laundry bag to prevent pilling and tearing and advises air drying in the shade rather than tumble drying to preserve the cooling fibers. This straightforward care routine is appreciated by users who want a low-maintenance bedding option. The blanket's lightweight and foldable nature also make it ideal for travel, road trips, camping, or even flights. It folds compactly, fitting easily into luggage or storage spaces when not in use. Despite its many strengths, the Ailemei cooling blanket is not without drawbacks. The most common criticism is related to the blanket's texture, which, while smooth and satiny, can be slippery. Several users report that the blanket tends to slide off the bed or couch during the night, requiring them to readjust it multiple times. This issue is particularly pronounced for restless sleepers or those who move a lot in their sleep. While the cooling effect is highly praised, the lack of grip can detract from the overall experience for some individuals. Additionally, a few users mentioned that the blanket's lightweight design, while generally a positive, means it does not provide the same level of warmth or coziness as a traditional comforter or weighted blanket. This is not a flaw per se, but it is important for potential buyers to understand that this product is designed primarily for cooling, not for warmth. Another point raised by users is the blanket's effectiveness in different environments. While it performs exceptionally well in air-conditioned rooms or with a fan running, some reviewers note that its cooling effect is less pronounced in extremely humid or unventilated spaces. This is consistent with the manufacturer's recommendation to use the blanket in conjunction with air conditioning or a fan for optimal results. The cooling fibers work by facilitating heat transfer away from the body, so ambient temperature and airflow can influence the overall performance. The blanket's durability is generally rated highly, with most users reporting that it holds up well to regular use and washing. The stitching and construction are solid, and there are few reports of fraying or significant wear over time. However, as with any specialty fabric, following the care instructions is important to maintain the integrity of the cooling fibers. Using a laundry bag and avoiding harsh detergents or high heat during washing will help extend the blanket's lifespan. In terms of versatility, the Ailemei cooling blanket is suitable for a wide range of users. It is marketed for adults, kids, and even pets, making it a flexible addition to any household. The throw size is ample for individual use, but may be too small to serve as a primary blanket for two adults sharing a bed. For solo sleepers, however, it provides ample coverage and can be layered with other bedding if desired. The blanket's portability also makes it a popular choice for those who travel frequently or need a cooling solution on the go. Whether used on a couch, in a car, or at a campsite, the blanket's lightweight design and compact foldability are major advantages. Customer satisfaction is reflected in the blanket's high ratings, with an average of 4.5 out of 5 stars from nearly 7,000 reviews. Users consistently praise its cooling effect, comfort, and ease of care. Many consider it a must-have for hot sleepers or those experiencing night sweats, and several reviewers mention purchasing additional blankets as gifts for friends or family. The product's popularity is further evidenced by its strong sales rank in the home and kitchen category, as well as its position among the top bed blankets available online. To summarize the pros, the Ailemei Direct Cooling Throw Blanket delivers on its promise of effective, double-sided cooling thanks to advanced Japanese cold fiber technology. It is lightweight, breathable, and soft, offering a comfortable sleep experience without trapping heat. The blanket is easy to clean, highly portable, and versatile enough for use in various settings. Its modern design and quality construction add to its appeal, making it a practical and stylish choice for those seeking relief from hot nights or night sweats. On the downside, the slippery texture can be a nuisance for some users, causing the blanket to shift or slide off during sleep. Its cooling effect, while impressive, may be less noticeable in extremely humid or poorly ventilated environments, and it is not intended to provide warmth. The throw size is ideal for individual use, but may not be sufficient for couples who want to share a blanket. Overall, the Ailemei Direct Cooling Throw Blanket is a well-designed, effective solution for anyone struggling with overheating at night. Its advanced cooling technology, comfort, and ease of use make it a standout product in the crowded bedding market. While it may not be perfect for everyone, particularly those who prefer a heavier or warmer blanket, it excels at its intended purpose and offers tangible benefits for hot sleepers. If you are looking for a way to stay cool and comfortable during the summer or throughout the year, this blanket is worth considering. Remember, if you have used this product, please share your experience in the comments to help others. The link to the product is in the description, and using it helps support the channel.